everything you're about to see in this video was a waste of time. At the end, I'll explain why. Basically, the big issue that we had is that I thought it would be a cool idea to have a column and then have our remote meter be on top of that column. But after the inspector came by, the purpose of having these posts dug into the ground is not just to support the meter itself, like I guess thought, but it's actually to make sure that the meter doesn't tip over. And having a column like that with just like that plate at the bottom with some screws doesn't necessarily support the meter from going side to side with the wind, or if somebody were to plow some snow into it or something like that. So basically we're going to make that column disappear, and then we're going to put a remote meter right next to it, the proper way right here. So the worst thing that happened here is that we wasted 2 hours of work and about $30 worth of concrete. So I guess I wanted to show this video to you guys because I made a mistake. Nothing really happened. The inspector came by. He's going to be back here tomorrow to look at our new work. So don't be afraid to try new things because there's people out there that'll correct you.